Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng opinion, reaction ngayon itong post ng Daily Tribune 43 minutes ago. Title: District Engineer accused of graft just reassigned. Ano ba yan? Pakitang tao lang, bini-baby. Inakusahan ng isang kongresista itong district engineer na ito, ni-reassign lang sa ibang district. Seryoso ba sila? Ito. So, reassign, that's it. Just reassign. If this were any ordinary employee, any ordinary citizen caught in a scheme that defrauds millions, we wouldn't be talking about transfers. We'd be talking about termination, yan, criminal charges, and a permanent black mark on the record, making it near impossible to ever find legitimate work again. But for Isabelo Baleros, ito na yung pangalan ng district engineer, Isabelo Baleros, a DPWH district engineer, allegedly involved in millions of questionable transactions, the punishment is, according to a report by One News, is simple, reassignment. Yung iba naman, floating status. Ganun lang. Saan bang floating status? I think sa First District of Bulacan, DPWH First District. Kung saan doon ang daming ghost project na mismo ang Pangulang nakadiscover. Wala lang. Floating lang. Hanggang ngayon, wala pang kaso. Yes, you read that correctly. Not fired, not axed, not permanently barred from government service. Just moved to another district. One can't help but ask, why? Is this reassignment some sort of reward? A chance for him to continue doing what he allegedly does best, shuffling millions under the guise of flood control projects. Yun namang floating, wala silang assignment. Kaya lang, sumusweldo pa rin. Pinapakain pa rin natin sila using taxpayers' money. Bakit hindi preventive suspension? And what about Secretary Manuel Bunuan? You have vowed to hold accountable DPWH officers and personnel found responsible for substandard or ghost flood control projects, claiming criminal charges will be filed. Hanggang ngayon, wala pa silang naisasampang kaso. Mag 1 month na mula nung nagsona ang Pangulo. Mahiya naman kayo. Hanggang ngayon, puro salita lang. Yet, here we are. Baleros isn't removed. He isn't sidelined. He is merely reassigned. Is he a friend? Or is this your definition of cleansing? Kasi sabi ng Secretary Bunuan, we expect cleansing to come. Dahil sa sunod-sunod na anomalya, lilinisan daw nila ang DPW. Paano mo lilinisin? I-reassign mo lang, i-floating status mo lang. Wala namang may isang pangkaso as of now. Ang hina. Moving the bacteria from one district to another is spreading the virus rather than eradicating it. Agree. Ito. Just weeks ago, Las Piñas Representative Mark Anthony Santos publicly urged Bunuan to remove Baleros over alleged graft, including a controversial transfer of flood control funds, and still the outcome is a reassignment. Alis, kahit lang sana floating status, mas okay na lang kaysa yung reassign. District engineer pa rin siya. So, kung saan man siya ni-reassign, tuloy ang ligaya. Ito, ang ganda naman itong sulat ng Daily Tribune. Kinakastigo ng DPWH Secretary. You, Mr. Bunuan, wouldn't have lifted a finger if the President hadn't exposed these contractors and ghost projects. If the public hadn't fact-checked your flood control initiatives. You have been Secretary since 2022. You have seen decades of this industry. This is not even your first time as DPWH Chief. You were acting secretary during GMA administration and yet the rot continues. Meanwhile, sinalaysay yung nangyari sa Batangas na kung saan si Congressman Lebeste magsasampa na ng kaso sa District Engineer, 1st District, dahil sa nahuling entrapment operation, bribe money, 360 million, nahuli ang District Engineer. Ayun, kakasuhan na bukas. Why can't you do that too? It's simple. This is the problem with the culture of DPWH. Years of systemic corruption are met not with decisive action. Millions of pesos allegedly siphoned off. We will look into this. Ganun lang. Ghost projects, mahiya naman kayo. Accountability, optional. Ang hina. Engineers like Valeros can continue to operate in the shadows under the same system that enabled them in the first place. This is not reform. This is farce. Farce. Kanang pakitang tao lamang. The public deserves better. The engineers, bureaucrats, and contractors implicated in these scandals must face real consequences. And Secretary Bunuan, your legacy will not be remembered as cleans DPWH. It will be remembered as the administration that shuffled corrupt officials from district to district while the people paid the price. Until then, reassignment is a slap on the wrist. And that slap is being felt by every Filipino taxpayer who expects flood control projects to protect lives, not protect corrupt officials. Ito po ang litrato ni DPWH Secretary at ito siguro yung katabi niya. I don't know kung sino dyan, yung Engineer Valeros. So, reassigned lang. Ang sarap naman ang buhay. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa Tribong Talandig ng Bukidnon dahil ang sweldo natin sa channel na ito, pantulong natin sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ngayon ng livelihood assistance, nagpapatanim ng saging lakatan at Arabica coffee. Panoorin nyo ang video na ito.
Meron na anak ko sa area sa kapihan ni Manny Ricky, so mag-abuno o mag-spray siya sa iyang kape. So si Manny Boy ang nagtabang sa iyang pag-abuno sa iyang tanong ng kape. So muna ni ang itsura sa kape ni Manny Ricky nga isa pa kabulan. So tambok yun kaayo. Isa pa kabulan, nindot kaayo nga kape. Kita yun nato nga maayo gid kayang tubo sa kape ni Manny Ricky. Kining among tanom nga kape 26 mi ka pamilya, 12,105 ni tanan ka sidling ang among natanom. Dagan gid mi nga nagtanom og kape. O karon human sa pag-abuno, naga-spray na pod ang kapihan ni Manny Ricky. Klaro. Klaro gid na nga tulo na gid ang dahon.
Sa Ginoo sa pagsuporta sa pagpananom namo sa kape. Mahaw as gid mi sa kalisod.
Oo. Salamat kayo Manoy.
Salamat po.
So nagpasalamat si Manoy sa Ginoo og sa nagsuporta sa kape. Salamat kayo.